MP3 SPDCL project MP3 site external piping network. I would like to show you how the pipe was run related to the building of MP3 wing A. This is the boys quarter, and this is our first chamber of the liquid waste pipe that goes to public drainage outside. Here are the places where we have the chamber near the building. Here is it. This is the first chamber, is the rainwater and the liquid waste water. And the second chamber here is the solid waste from the room 2 of the boys quarter. This is the third chamber that shows the liquid waste water, and this is the fourth chamber that shows the solid waste of the first room here. Also, this is the liquid waste pipe that comes from the bathroom 3 of the first floor. The first floor, which is this bathroom. Once the vent pipe and the extractor pipe is traced, is direct underneath the windows of the bathroom 3 up, and the bathrooms we have here. Once we look at the windows, it's just direct underneath the windows of the first room. That's where we have the liquid waste and the solid waste chambers of bathroom 3 up. So here is it, and we have the same pipe underneath that goes to the solid waste. This is the rain water pipes, and this is another chamber of the solid waste. Here is it. It comes out and connect to the septic tank here. So relating this septic tank to the fence, here is it, just about 1.750 meter from this wall to where we have the septic, to where we have the last chamber to the septic tank from this side. And this is the rainwater liquid waste water pipe that goes to the public drainage outside. In relating this to the building, it's just about 500 mm from the building to where we have the pipe. And we have a water supply pipe coming from the kitchen to the BQ, about 200 mm to the wall. They are there. And once we look at this pipe, it goes direct to the public drainage. And this is another chamber of the solid waste pipe of bathroom 1 of wing A. The chamber is direct under the vent pipe beside the window of that same bathroom up. Once we trace it direct down to this column, we have the chamber in that place. So it's very easy to locate. Once we traced this vent pipe down, we will surely get the chamber just direct to that place. So from there we have another chamber connecting to the septic tank, which is this one. Here is it. So this is a chamber of the liquid waste pipe coming from that same bathroom 1 upstairs. The chamber is by the entrance of the kitchen from the back side. Here is it. In relating to this, we surely get it. And this is the vent pipe of the septic tank. This is the chambers we have for the kitchen high landing liquid waste pipe and the kitchen sink pipe. This is the chambers. This is the rainwater pipe coming from the roof. This is the chamber. It's just immediately direct underneath the window of the kitchen. Relating this to the main building, once we look at the windows, from the edge of the windows, from the right hand side now is about 300 mm to the edge of the windows. Once you measure it, you find the chambers there. 200 to 300 mm. The chamber is available there. Now we have the next chamber straight to it, which is the solid waste chamber that goes to the septic tank. It's just straight to that place. We have it there. And we have the rainwater pipe and the liquid waste water chamber next to it. Now we have another solid waste chamber next to it. That's the base. It's still ongoing. That's the base over there. Then we have another rainwater, which is the liquid waste of the visitor's toilet. Relating this to the building on how to trace it later in the future. Once we look up to the windows and come down straight, we move to the right hand side and we see the chambers over there. Here is the pipe, the skeleton of the pipe before it is covered up. Then relating this, we have the underground water tank in all this area. We have 3 pipes, 2 75 mm pipe and 1 110 mm pipe. The 2 75 mm pipe served the suction, one of it, which is this, served the suction points of the pump from the water treatment plant. Is direct on the window of the sitting room, while the one that discharge, that send water to the underground water tank from the water treatment plant is just by the edge of the sitting room window, which is this, while this 110 mm pipe is an access pipe for the cover, for the tank cover. Here is it. This is the tank cover. In case you want to get an external water to be discharged inside, this is the access. This is another chamber of the solid waste, which is the first one from this side. Is a chamber of the master bathroom of wing A. Relating this to the building, once we trace direct from the vent pipe of the 75 mm pipe that we have on the roof on first floor, you trace it down, the chamber is directly underneath. We have the chamber there. Then the liquid waste pipe from the same master bedroom, the chamber is next to it. On the right hand side is there. So the rainwater pipe from the roof chamber is the next one, which is the last one relating to the main building. When you measure like 2.2 meter from the wall, you see the chamber there. Sure, is there. So here is it. Then we have the pipe that goes direct to the public drainage, which part of it has been covered, but it's going to be shown in this video on the external. So once you trace it down, you see the pipe on how it goes. Here is it. It passed through the beams, beside the beams that we have here, and it goes direct outside to the public drainage. Thank you. And now we have another chambers of the boys' quarter of the gatehouse. Pipe network passes through here direct, and is going to be connected to this pipe, which is the rainwater from the gatehouse and the liquid waste from the gatehouse. The chamber of the solid waste of the gatehouse is just next to each other here. This is the septic tank area for the gatehouse, and that's the vent pipe up there and the extractor fan pipe. Thank you.